This apparatus is going to launch two balls simultaneously. There's a horizontal rod that's spring-loaded, and when it's released, the ball on the left will drop straight down and hit the ground here. The ball on the right is going to get a horizontal push from that rod, and it's going to move off to the right and follow a curved path and hit the ground here. The question is, which one hits the ground first? They both are released simultaneously. One drops straight down, the other moves horizontally. Which one hits the ground first? Three, two, one. This time in slow motion. Once more, and we'll pause the video a couple of times on the way down.